So what does it mean to get someone's attention? Attention is time, right? If I'm giving you my attention, I'm giving you some of my time. So what we're asking people to do is give us some of their time. Now time, as we all know, is our most precious resource. It's the one thing that's limited in this world. We can earn more money, we can grow more food, we can go and get more fuel for our car, but we can never get back time. So what we're asking people for is to give us some of their most precious resource. Imagine time being stored in a bank account, but only it's not like your regular bank account, because in this bank account you can only withdraw. You can't deposit more time into the bank account. So when we're asking people to spend time with us, we're asking people to spend something that is completely limited to them. They have a finite amount of it. So with this in mind, why would anyone spend any of this precious resource called time with us? And probably by looking at it in this way, you might already know the answer. The answer is that they're going to get something back from spending that time with you, just like they would if they spent some money with you. Just quickly, if you're finding these videos helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave us some comments under the video as well with your questions. We'd love to know what you want to know about, and if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, you'll get a notification when these videos come out. Right, back to it. How can we give them something back? Well, we have to add value to them. So much like I'm doing in this video, I'm giving you an insight, giving you some advice, some tips, something that I hope will help you in your business when you're making your videos. And the same is true for you. You can provide some insight, some information, some knowledge. You can educate people. You can add value to them in different ways. Perhaps you're going to entertain them in some way. Perhaps you're going to give them a bit of an experience. But one of the easiest and simplest ways is to educate them and teach them something that they didn't realize, something that's going to help them move forward. So have a think about the kind of value that you have been offering and the kind of value that you could be offering. I want you to be completely honest with yourself and look back on, say, your last 5 posts, maybe, blog posts or social media posts or videos, whatever it is, and be really honest with yourself and ask, have you added value to your audience in those posts? You can rate them 1 to 10. Now, when you've done that, go back over them, and especially for the ones that are lower rated, think about how you could have added more value to your audience. Could you have plugged one of your clients in your posts? Could you have given a bit of behind the scenes insight? Could you have educated them on how you do something? Now that you're looking at things from this new angle, I bet you can find a way to add value to each and every one of those posts that you hadn't considered before. So remember, people are spending their time with you when they give your attention. You have to earn their attention because you are asking them to spend their most precious resource with you. So as you get this right and you start earning people's attention and they're listening to you and spending time with you, there's a very good chance that they're going to spend money with you at a later date. You just need to be aware that you are asking for their time, their most precious resource. Respect that, and I believe you'll get it back in multiples.